Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to add UK postal counties in WooCommerce checkout form in WordPress using custom code. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in checkout page. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin. So click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin, write WP code. So this is plugin WP code. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it. And after activation, on left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet. So click on it. Then you see add your custom code. So again click on it. Now create custom snippet section open. So scroll down, you can add title, then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop down, select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code and you will find all this code in video description or in comment section. Now in code you see function we added and then you see state GB and then we added postal county's name. Now you see different name. Also you see alphabet character. So scroll down, you see insert method, auto insert, location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to checkout page and refresh the page. So we select UK country and then you see county optional. Now select, you see all counties, postal counties we added using custom code. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.